Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can include map chart in Excel. So let's start. Here this dataset is all about of potatoes production by different states of India. So how we can use map chart here. I'm selecting this whole data here. All the states of India are included in producing potatoes, and here are metric tons. Insert recommended charts. Here we can see Excel is already recommending us a map chart. Okay, so I'm selecting map chart from here, or we can go to all charts and we can see map charts here, and we can select this chart. Okay, so here we have got our map chart. Now we can see that the blue section is telling us the highest values of production of potatoes, and this white uh, light blue is telling us the lowest value. We can give multiple values here to make it more clear. For that we have to select in this area and double click. Okay, wait. uh, if I'm making it a little bit larger. Okay, so this gray area is not showing any values. Okay, because we have not included all the states value, only maybe here 15 values here. These section includes the values. Okay, uh, if we move our mouse pointer like this, we will see the name of the state, and its the value of uh, the data, that is production in metric tons. You can see this right here. Okay, look, I am moving my mouse pointer here, there is no data here. Okay, if I move my pointer here, then I'm getting the name as well as the value. Okay, I'm closing it again. If we want to include multiple colors, then click on any areas that has value, then double click on that, and then this option will appear. Then we don't need to touch them. I am avoiding this. Here we can see the map labels. Okay, here if we select show all, then every name of the state will be shown. Here you can see there are some states is the name is not appearing completely. Okay, yeah, some name appeared completely, but some name is not. If we select best fit, then only the places where the name is appearing completely will show us, but we are selecting none. Series color, if we select this, then this option will be given to us. Then sequential two color, here we can see there is two color basically here, white and blue. Blue is getting white to the lowest value. Here we will use three colors. Okay, and here I may use green, this is orange, and this is yellow. Now it looks more clear value. uh, Here we can see the green areas will indicate the lowest value, and when the color will change like this, the value will increase, and when it to the maximum, it will appear as yellow. So these are the areas where potatoes produced most. Okay, this color, if I put my mouse pointer here, then I can see the name is name of the state is Gujarat, and the value is three 38,100,000. Okay, and where we can get this color, this color is similar to hair. So this point, this color is showing, so it is a little above than the lowest. So this is how we can include a map chart in Excel, we can we have included chart title. We can rename it, and we can give data labels. If I give data labels, it is not it is getting a little bit cluttered, so I'm not including this. And if you want, you can do some more modification from here, from design menu. Okay, you can get some more modifications. Okay, you can change the colors, you can add more chart element from here. Okay, if you can do a little bit format also. So now here we can see, I'm deleted the chart. This data is showing country wise potatoes production, okay, around the world. Here we can see different countries here. So if we select this whole data, then insert and recommended charts, here they are also giving us a map chart as the recommendation. Here, if I click in the middle, okay, then within any of the value point, I'm double clicking on it, this option will appear. I'm adding multiple three colors here: green. You can choose any color you like. Okay, so previous data was about the same countries but different states data, and this is different countries data. So here the world map is showing, and uh, we can read this just as before by moving the mouse pointers, and we can select this and do some uh, modifications from here, from these places. And we can also name the chart title, or production. Okay, so this is how we can include map charts in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.